What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2012 Yamaha FJR 1300. Guys, this bike is awesome to ride. I did just take this on a tiny little trip, about 2 hours away from here, 2 hours there, 2 hours back. This bike just crushed it. I want to start off, it's got some good-looking Michelins on there. What are they? Michelin 2CT. Oh yeah, the Pilots. Great looking tires. Great performance. I mean, this bike handled amazing. It does have this adjustable backrest. You can see that. Gnarly. Pops in, pops out. This bike's not perfect. We did have this bike before. We sold it before. There were some flaws with it. It's got some scratches on the bags here, if you can see those. Personally, this doesn't bother me because this bike is made to be ridden. I'm not too concerned about this. But that's just me personally. Scratches on the bag there. Scuff on the top there. It does have these pegs. I didn't use them. I think they're about useless, to be honest. It's got some rash along there. Now this rash came, there's some rash there, when we first had it, and then some rash up there. Sean was actually riding it. Some touch up paint, but rash right there as well. Sean was riding it, he was in a parking lot, he was talking to a buddy of his, and he went to turn it around, and it fell over. That's what the rash is from. Somebody didn't crash the bike, so just being straight up there, I think that's much better than somebody, you know, obviously, that we don't know, crushing it. Got some scuffing right there on that bag. Not a huge deal, but it is there, so I just want to make note. This bike is not perfect. And then this is probably from legs or jeans or something. Some scuffs right there. Seats are in great condition, backrest is in great condition. It does have heated grips, which is pretty amazing. It helped so much when I was riding in the cold. Obviously, it's got the adjustable windshield. Let's fire this beast up. Sounds so good, full exhaust. This bike sounds amazing. 8,230 miles. Oh, 8,230 miles on it. You can see it there. Great looking bike, guys. It is such a good combination of sport touring. I think it airs very heavily on the sports side. It is an extremely fun bike to ride. It was a very mountainous route I was going, and this thing just absolutely crushed it. It handles so well. It's got the heated grips, like I said. 4 hours on the bike, and I felt perfectly fine. It does have a center stand as well. I'll point that out down there. Love this bike, 2012 FJR 1300. Let me know if it's something you guys are interested in. These bikes do not last long. It's going to be priced very accordingly to the shape that it's in. But mechanically, it runs amazing. As well. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. And follow us on Instagram, Srkcycles. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.